and all the way around, as you can see, the power. So it basically is going right through the wood. Once again, we'll light it up going here, and going there. I can actually do both. With the power, and you can probably hear it. We'll put one over here, and then we'll just play with it a little bit, turn it up a little bit. What we also want to do is try and scope in a little bit as far as show the indicators, and then show the screen. The TV screen is running vertically. It also detects different types of materials and things. And of course there's the collector driving the light. We'll back it up, and there's another light right there, and of course another indicator right there, and of course the unit's very hard to see because it's back there. That's primarily when it's tuned, and as you can see the vertical bars on the monitor. Once again, this is transmitting power down through the tube, down through the light, all the way from right there, which is about 4 foot, all the way down that light to that fluorescent light to that incandescent light. So it's actually transmitting energy. I'm picking up the energy in the gas in the tube and basically lighting up a fluorescent, or excuse me, an incandescent bulb, which is real AC power. That's quite unique in itself and has many applications, implications. And I'm going to try and back this up a little bit so you can see the whole thing and see it working. Once again, the indicators, as you see in red, you see the incandescent light, another incandescent, and of course the fluorescent. Hello, my name is William G. Burchard, inventor of the wireless energy, wireless power, and inventor of the Blue Domain. This is quite a brand new technology that borders on the leading edge of all technologies. I'd like to demonstrate today wireless power using fluorescent lights and incandescent lights and true RMS power. Thank you. Hello, today I'd like to demonstrate the wireless power apparatus and demonstration lab on the table. Let me point out some things. We have a pod, the sender, an antenna. We have another antenna, a collector. We have another antenna. Over there we have another collector, and those little lights are indicator lights. They're basically to just indicate power. They're a green lead type light voltage detector. Very sensitive pieces of equipment. And then we have a monitor. Standard monitor, not a TV, just a standard monitor. So what I'm going to do is point this out once again. We have a 1.3 amp power supply, very low voltage, 12 volts. The oscillator right here, the transformer, and the antenna. That makes up a sending unit. This particular unit is going to send power down the fluorescent, which is quite unique in itself. Actually, you could send power down a 40-foot fluorescent and still get full power. We'll demonstrate with a 4-foot fluorescent lamp. It's going to send power down to that antenna right here, and the collector will pick it up, and of course it will light the light. That wire you see going off over here is to an antenna. We could take that off. I can hold it. I can be the antenna. The wire you see hanging down is basically a ground, and we'll get that out of the way for right now. So essentially we have wireless energy. Wireless energy can do a number of things. The type of power that we emit basically goes through just about any material or any kind of matter. So what I'm going to do is power this up, and then I'll point out the lights, and then I'll do a dark demonstration for you. Realizing that this energy emitted from this basic antenna right here will flow this way down the lamp. It also flows this way. It's drawn by this particular antenna.